Edu Thiero is the chess piece that the Lakers are missing right now. A hyper-athletic wing defender who can guard multiple positions and grab rebounds against physical teams. He also is aggressive cutting and attacking the basket. You play him with the top 7 players and it would unlock his special traits. At this point, he needs some reps though, and he needs to stay healthy. If he can stay healthy for a couple more weeks, then we should call him up to take time away from Ayton and Kleber. He's only 21 years old, he still has room to grow and develop and can become a rotation player. He's listed at 6'7" and weighs about 220 pounds. As of early March 2026, South Bay Lakers forward Edu Thiero is averaging approximately 15.6 points, 5.8 rebounds, 1.6 assists, and 12 steals in 5 G League appearances. The rookie has shown impressive efficiency, shooting over 55 to 63% from the field while providing strong, versatile defense and handling limited minutes in the NBA.